Hey everyone, Natalie here from SERPWizz, and if you are looking for a lead generation tool that will give you white label audits on your website, then definitely we have that, and I want you to go over and check it on SERPWizz.com. I'm gonna leave a link on the description box down below so that you can access it better or faster, and do check that tool out because it's gonna give you amazing results. And of course, for our main agenda for today, we're going to have a talk about another tool that is included in SE ranking. So as you can see, we are already on the dashboard for SE ranking, logged in and using our paid subscription account. So recently we went over what competitive research and keyword research tools are, and today we'll be talking about content marketing. And under content marketing, we have content editor and content idea finder. However, for these two tools, unfortunately, we won't be able to utilize them at all. And this is due to some limitations that we have for our current subscription. But just to give you an idea of what it is, of course, content editor, from the term itself, it helps you edit your content. And it has some really amazing tools that you can, or features that you can utilize in order to improve your content. And the next one is content idea finder, which is sadly another tool that we cannot go in depth with because of the said limitations in our account. But here we have a quick explanation of what Content Idea Finder is. So it helps analyze keywords in your niche and create a content strategy based on collected data. Get new topic ideas, choose relevant keywords, and create top quality content with them. So these two tools go hand in hand. If you want, or if you're struggling to come up with content ideas, to write or to make content from, then you can definitely utilize Content Idea Finder. And afterwards, if you're done with your draft, then you can then utilize Content Editor to improve your overall improve the overall quality of your content. So since these two tools have very straightforward features and explanations, I'm just gonna leave it at that and proceed to discuss more of the tools that SE ranking offers. But yep, don't forget to head on over to SERPWizz.com to check our lead generation tool, and as well as a free guide showing you how to achieve amazing results using SERPWizz on autopilot. So also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel here in YouTube, and comment down any of your takeaways, if any, for this video. So see you guys again on the next one, and thank you so much for watching.